Welcome to Zoho Projects. It is an online tool that helps people and teams plan, manage, and track their work. It's mainly used to organize tasks and make sure projects are completed on time. It keeps everything related to a project in one place so that everyone can stay updated and work together more easily. Now, let us have a quick view into the features available in the Zoho Projects. The first one we have is Home. This is like your dashboard. It gives you a quick view of everything important, like your upcoming tasks, deadlines, and recent activity, so you know what to focus on. In this, you will be having a personal dashboard and a portfolio and also a Zoho Analytics. The next up we have reports. These show the progress of your project using charts and summaries. You can easily see what's going well and what needs attention. And the next one is projects. This is where all your project details are kept. You can see task lists, timelines, and updates for each project you're working on. You can also create new projects from here. You also can do automation. The next up we have collaboration. This helps team members work together. You can chat, share files, comment on tasks, and stay connected with your team in one place. Like you have a feed, then status, and activity stream in this. Next up we have tasks. These are the individual pieces of work that need to be done. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress easily. You can add tasks from here. Then in the top panel, you will be having an add option where you can add your new project. Then you have a search bar, notifications, and a setup. Now let us have a look into the pricing plans available in the Zoho projects. The first one we have is a free plan. It allows users to manage up to 3 projects. It includes basic features such as subtasks, a whiteboard for visual planning, and comes with 5 GB of storage space. This plan is best suited for individuals or small teams who are just getting started with project management. The next plan we have is a premium plan, which is most popular one. It supports unlimited projects and includes all features from the free plan. In addition, it offers project templates to save time tracking to monitor work hours, blueprints to automate workflows, and new Zia Insights, which provides AI-based project suggestions. It is ideal for growing teams that need more advanced tools to manage the work efficiently. The next one is an enterprise plan. It supports unlimited projects and includes all features of the premium plan. It adds advanced capabilities such as new Zia search and new Zia translation, which enhance productivity through AI. It also includes read-only users, custom fields and status settings, and custom roles and profiles for better control. For added security, it supports SSO, that is single sign-on, and two-factor authentication. The next one is a Project Plus plan. It is a bundled solution for businesses that already use or plan to use multiple Zoho applications. It includes Zoho Projects, Zoho Sprints, Zoho Analytics, and Zoho WorkDrive for file storage and team collaboration. This plan is ideal for teams looking for a complete integrated project management ecosystem within the Zoho suite. Thank you. For any Zoho requirements, contact us at www.fgrade.com/Zoho.